I'm Cecilia Dowdy. I posted a video last April about the Magnolia Bakery Cookbook. It was about one of the recipes in there. The video that I made has suddenly gotten a lot of views in relation to another video about another person named Cecilia, and that person's not me. The other video is about a woman that goes to bakeries taking her dates, and she can't eat any of the sweets, so her dates eat them on her behalf, and she reacts to it. So you can look through my videos and find the stitch that I did for that video. But I came up with an idea. I'm going to go through the Magnolia Bakery Cookbook. I'm going to make every single recipe. I'm not going to make any of the recipes which I've already made, because I critiqued one of the chocolate cakes. I didn't like it. I thought it was too dry. I'm not going to remake it. I don't see the point. So I'm going to start with this project today. I will not do a recipe every day. I will do this as an ongoing thing, but I can't tell you how often I will be making the recipes. But I would like to get through this whole book. So here's the cookbook that I have, the Magnolia Bakery recipe, but that Magnolia Bakery Cookbook. Now, someone commented to me that some of these recipes have been updated, so this is the version I have. So this is the version I'll use. Now, I don't know if there's another updated version of this same cookbook. The recipe I'll be making today is, I'm starting with the first section, and it's muffins, buns, and quick breads. So what I'm gonna start with, the corn muffins. That's what I'm gonna make right now. I'll shoot a few videos of me making them. I'll put them all together and I'll be posting that. I followed the recipe pretty much, but I did make a few changes. The recipe says that you need to use a well-greased 12-cup muffin tin, and you use 9 of those cups. But what I did, I have an iron like muffin thing. It's bigger than a regular muffin tin. I'm going to use this to bake the muffins, and you see I already mixed everything together, and I just put it in this muffin tin. It's overrunning a little bit, but whatever. And I'm gonna bake them at 350. And another change I made to the recipe, it calls for whole milk, because all the recipes in the Magnolia Bakery Cookbook call for whole milk. This is all I had on hand. I have low-fat milk. So what I'm going to do, I went ahead and added a little bit of half and half to my milk. So instead of 1.5 cups of whole milk, I put like maybe 1.25 cup of whole milk. No, 1.25 cup of low-fat milk, and then 1/4 cup of half and half. So that's what I did to improvise. And so I'm gonna bake them right now and make our chili for lunch, and then we'll eat the corn muffins with the chili. Okay, there's the muffin. I took it out of the pan. It stuck a little bit. I normally put non-stick spray in my pans, but I didn't have any, so I just put a little bit of oil in the pan, but it's still stuck. I'm gonna taste some without the butter first, because it's got plenty of butter in it. Okay, I'm tasting it right now. Here's one without butter. And like I said, there's 1.5 sticks of butter in these muffins, so we'll see how they taste. It's not bad. It's not the best corn muffin I ever had, but it's pretty edible. I mean, it's better than a lot of corn muffins or cornbread that I've made, because I did an old blog post about cornbread, because a lot of times I make cornbread and I'm disappointed. But this corn muffin, it tastes better than a lot of the cornbread recipes that I've tried from my other cookbooks. Now, I have another piece over here with butter. Let me try that. This one has, this piece has some butter on it, so. It's good with the butter. Even though there's 1.5 sticks of butter in the corn muffin, you can still add a little bit of butter to it when you eat it. Overall, you know, pretty good. Like, would I make the corn muffins again? Yes, I could see making these again and then eating them with, you know, chili or breakfast or something. So, toodaloo. If you enjoy baking and sampling different treats and recipes, and you like to read, then you must try the Bakery Romance series. My Bakery Romance series has over 1,000 5-star ratings and reviews. Check it out. You can get the entire set directly from me for one low price. People have been talking about these books for a long time. So join in on the fun and check them out. Have a good day.